Connector and a headphone connector we're going to be attaching into the front of the computer, which goes here. Should set it right in place. Just sliding in gentle, right in place. Make sure it lines up properly. Okay. We got a screw to secure it with it. Right into place. Ah, shucks. Okay. Make sure the screw is snug but not tight. Snug, not tight. Okay. We have made it to the portion of everything of the devices are set in place. We just need to connect now the cables. We're going to connect all the cables that belongs to from the power supply to all the devices and motherboard. We're going to begin installing the connector, the power supply connectors into the devices. First, we're going to start the one for DVD. Second, is the CD to place. Third one is a floppy disk to place. Let me slide it out for a second. It's a little hard to put in. Okay, let's secure it. We can bring it right back down. The last one is the hard drive. Place. Okay. The main power connector of the motherboards right over here. So you connect it. Okay. The power supply for everything is properly connected. Make sure they're snug and they have snapped into place. Check them all out to make sure that everything is set in place. It's good. Connect the data cables. First, we will begin by connecting the one that goes into the data cables. Let's first begin with the DVD connection. As you can see, you pass it through this cable holder that came with the machine. We secure over here into place. Here belongs the metal slot. Make sure everyone's in properly. We secure over here with this. Bring it down here. Let's connect first the CD into place. Next we connect the DVD. The data cable actually has it connects the DVD and the CD together into place. Next we're going to be connecting. We're going to be connecting the floppy disk. We're going to be passing it here through this holder too. Disk connects the motherboard. Bring it this way underneath the cable and connect to the floppy disk. Connector. That's properly secure there. Ain't going nowhere. Next one. It's going to be the hard drive. It's an idea, a cable data hard drive. Place from the motherboard all the way to the hard drive. We secure the cables, these cable holders, with the cable holder. Set it into place. Snap it into place. We're good on that. Actually, let's do it again. Gonna be passing it through here. Passing it through here. Bring it down again to this holder. Put it into place. The RD cable for the hard disk, hard drive is already secure. The next one. Front panel switch where they have the headphones and the where this cable is going to go, where I have the headphones and the USB drive in front of the machine. Make sure it's nicely secure there. I'm going to bring it through here. And we're going to be to the front panel, which belongs right over here. It's right in place. It's nice and secure. There. Okay. Okay. Next, after it looks like we're gonna secure this too. This cable comes from the motherboard. It's actually a front. This cable comes from the motherboard, which goes to the front panel. Also goes to the front panel audio cable connector in the front. I'll take it right to here also. To be together. Down into place and secure it. Okay. We seem to have connected everything in place. Everything looks in order. Let's close the machine. Let's make sure before we take the ground bracelet and the ground mat bracelet off. Make sure everything looks in order. Everything's securely connected. Nothing moves. Everything's in place. Okay, everything looks to be in order. Okay. Take the ground off. Close the machine. Keep it in place. Stick the machine, connect the machine. Okay, we're here to connect the power into the unit back of the desktop. I'm gonna connect the power. Let's connect the keyboard and mouse. We are. Okay. The monitor. Snacks. Okay. Push the unit back. Okay, everything is installed in the back in its appropriate ports of the mouse, the keyboard, the monitor is secure too. It's plugged in. Start it back on. Start it back on. Machine goes on. As soon as it comes on, F2. And you can see the BIOS. Everything is good to go. There you go. Now you can see the BIOS. Bring it down so you can see the rest of the BIOS. That was system was spoken properly, and we're good. So that's it for this project. This is Juan Colon signing out. Thank you for viewing.